This is a boat that just came in this morning. I just bought the boat and didn't take it to the lake. And they checked the oil to begin with this morning, and there wasn't any oil in it. Checked with another shop, and they said just put 5 quarts of oil in it. And didn't check the stick, so they poured 5 quarts of oil in it. And so here we are. We used our vacuum and sucked it all out the engine. And so we're going to show what's coming out of it. And why we're straining it is because it is completely full of metal shavings. And it's just going to take a minute here because it's 7 quarts that are in the engine. So it was down to 3 quart or 2 quarts. They added 5, and so they had 7 total in it. And if they just added 5 quarts to it, that sure looks dirty for the other 2 quarts that were still in the engine. If they added 5 new quarts just this morning, and we've not even started this engine up because it was a freeze plug that was out, that a drain plug on the port side aft on the block. Yeah, let's let it drain down and see how much metal we have. Okay, yeah, you'd expect it to be at the bottom of it.
It is.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
It's got babbitt in it. It's bearing. It's turned to bearing.
Oh yeah, down inside that bucket there's a puddle of it down there. So, that's bizarre. All right.